Are you having trouble with iTunes not recognizing your iPhone when you plug it into your computer? In this video, I will show you some basic steps on how you can try to resolve this problem. Let's go. As I introduce each procedure, you can try reconnecting your iPhone to the computer after each step to check if iTunes now recognizes it. First, make sure the USB cable you're using is working properly. To avoid any disruptions with the transfer of data, make sure to use an original or an MFI certified cable. It is also a good idea to clean your charging port in order to check for any damage or dirt. Another thing you should check is the USB ports of your computer. This method is basically a trial and error step to see if there is any problem with the computer's USB ports. If you have another computer, you can try to connect to it to see if there is any problem with connecting your device. When the device is recognized, that means there is some problem with the ports of the first computer you have connected to. Now, if both your cable and USB ports are functional, but your iPhone still can't be recognized, the next thing you can do is to restart your computer. It may also be effective if you force restart your iPhone as well. This straightforward and most common troubleshooting step mostly works 90% of the time at resolving minor glitches on any device. If none of the basic troubleshooting steps that I have mentioned worked, the next possible solution is to reset your iPhone's location and privacy settings. The reason why your iPhone can't seem to connect to your iTunes may be because you have accidentally selected the Don't Trust option when you last connected it. So, revert the configuration changes back to factory defaults. Go to Settings and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Finally, select Reset, then Reset Location and Privacy. Don't worry, this will not cause any loss of data. The only thing that might be affected are those apps with location permissions. After the reset, you will have to reconfigure the location permission on each app that you often use. Updating your iTunes may also help resolve the problem. There is a possibility that the root cause of the problem is some outdated features on iTunes, so it will be a good step to check for available updates. To check, click Help from the menu and you should see a Check for Updates option from the list. In my case, this option isn't available from the menu because I have downloaded iTunes through the Microsoft Store, so the updates are downloaded automatically in the background. Unfortunately, if all other steps have failed to resolve the issue, your last resort will be to use a third-party repair tool. For this, I'm going to recommend two of iMyPhone software programs which will work both on Windows and Mac. One is to fix your iTunes, and the other is for resolving any software issues on your iPhone directly. You can find the links for both programs in the description below. If an error code keeps prompting inside iTunes whenever you connect your device, it may be caused by some bugs or missing drives on iTunes. In order to fix it, you can use iMyPhone Tunes Fix so that any errors or issues on iTunes will be resolved. On some rare cases, bugs in your most recent iOS update may potentially result in compatibility or connection errors on your iPhone. To help resolve this issue, you can use iMyPhone FixPo. This software offers a free trial, but it also has several subscription plans to choose from. If you want to download the program, click on the tag at the top right corner or find the link in the description below. After downloading, launch the software and connect your iPhone. Then, select Standard Mode of Repair and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Wait as the program repairs your iOS. Upon completion, try reconnecting your device and see if iTunes can now recognize it. As I have mentioned earlier, both iMyPhone programs have a paid version, so you may have to subscribe to a premium plan in order to experience their full features. Nevertheless, using both of these softwares should be able to resolve the problem. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.